Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip5 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this Samsung. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to Access Themes section. Then tap on Themes at the bottom left corner. Tap on the search bar at the top right one. And type in wherever you wish though, like cat. You can also select one of those themes right away, or scroll all the way down and tap on Free Themes section. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, tap on the best theme, hit download, and tap on Apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to your default one, access Settings again, scroll down, tap on Themes, and instead of selecting Themes at the bottom left corner, click on Menu at the bottom right one. Then click on My Stuff, tap on your default theme, and hit Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!